Don't think that I stay because I want to. Don't think that I don't leave because I can't. The truth is my heart has wanted to leave for a long time, especially when I think about how you treated me badly. Don't think that I don't look for someone new, or that I keep trying to be good to you for no reason. The truth is I still deeply miss our past, and that's why I can't seem to walk away from you. I ask my heart so many times already. I've tried to be strong and leave you without looking back, to let you stay with the one you truly love, so that your heart can finally be at peace. Don't be surprised that I keep coming back. Don't rush to say